Good afternoon, this is Captain E3E once again with another aircraft review. Right now you are staring at a Royal Australian Air Force Boeing 707 in-flight tanker by Skymarks from 1979 until 2008. Now, I'm going to give you a tour of the aircraft, first starting off with the stack ports, PO tubes, the cockpit windshield, and windshield wipers. The L1 door, a side cargo door to allow for military cargo to be loaded. This aircraft is retired and it's in a museum in Australia. The actual plane itself. The 4 Pratt & Whitney turbofan engines come along the lean edges of the wings. This aircraft was intended to refuel the Royal Australian Air Force's Dash All Mirages and later the Boeing F-18 Hornet. Have refueled from this aircraft right here. Now it's been replaced by the Airbus A330. You are staring at the APU. The tailplanes. Now I'm going to take you on the port and starboard side of the aircraft. There you see special markings right there on the tail of the 707. A partial registration of the aircraft. Going to take you on up towards the front of the aircraft. Very nicely detailed by Skymarks. 29 years of service to the nation is the slogan just above the galley. And you can see right there on the 707 and the cockpit. Now, the U.S. Air Force is retiring their KC-135 straddle tankers, and they're being replaced by a military version of the Boeing of the Boeing 767. You see a nice view right there, and got another nice view of the aircraft. Alright guys, that's it for this video. I would just like to say thank you very much for watching this video. This video will shortly be posted to YouTube. Like always, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time from the airport lounge, this is Captain E3E, signing off for now.